To start editing the blog page, the first thing that we actually need to do doesn't even go on your blog page. The first thing that we need to do is add categories for our blog posts. So in this area over here, in this little tab area, click on posts. Hover over posts and click on categories. Once you're in the categories, what you're going to be doing is adding categories for your blog post. So say you have posts that you're going to make about birthing, and you're also going to have posts about breastfeeding, and you're also going to have posts about postpartum. So you would create categories for each different type of blog post that you're going to make. Maybe you're not. Maybe you're only going to have one. So you could also do that. You could say all posts, and click add new category. Say you are going to make one for breastfeeding, so you could add the category there. You could add postpartum. And click add. And let's say you're going to have a subcategory, like let's say for breastfeeding, you could do natural remedies, and you want that to be a subcategory to breastfeeding. So you hit the parent category as breastfeeding, and that way these posts will filter in under the breastfeeding category, but it will also be its own category as well. So that's how that works. So now that you know how to add categories, we are going to actually go and we're going to add in a sample. I'll show you how to do a sample blog post. So what you're going to do is come over here to all posts. And you're going to add new. And I'm going to show you how to add a new blog post. So we'll just call this sample 1. We are going to, over here under categories, choose the category that it's going to go under. So I'm going to say that, let's say it's breastfeeding. So we're going to use the Divi Builder. It may take a moment for it to load the Divi Builder. Just give it a second. Once you're in the front end builder, you're going to click choose a pre-made layout. I already have a layout for, actually, no, that's not correct. I'll show you how to add in without doing it with a pre-made layout in that front area. So just click out of it. When we did earlier how-tos, we actually changed the template for the post, and this is that we did earlier. This is already all done in there. You see the title in there as sample 1. All this stuff we can't change because we already set it in the theme customizer in an earlier tutorial. So you're going to scroll down. You'll see that the about is already there. You don't have to do anything with this stuff. It should already reflect the changes that you made in the theme customizer. Down here, you're going to click this blue button, this blue cross, and click add new section. Now from that area, you're going to click add from library, and there is your blog post template there. So the blog post template is already there for you to alter and change as you need. So you're going to input your blog post here, and you'll put the title for this heading here. You can change out the picture by hovering over it there. You can change out the picture here. Now to add in the featured image, you're going to click on this gear page settings. Click on featured image. You can actually change the title there. So you wanted to change that there. The excerpt would be basically the description of the post, or it will pull in some of the information, the content that's already there. To add in the featured image, go to your media library or click upload files and drag and drop, or you can pick something that's already there. So my featured image, let's say it's it's for breastfeeding. Click select and click that check mark button, and it will feed to this area here. You'll see that the category that we set earlier and we clicked on before starting this post is breastfeeding. Once you have your information in there, you're going to want to click publish. And I'm going to show you how the featured image should show up once this has been published. So give it a second. saw that it's saved, click Exit Visual Builder. And you'll see that the featured image is set, the content is set, and this is a blog post already done. So this blog post was sample 1, and the author should be there. It should automatically fill in. And that's how you add a blog post.